all my gorgeous. Welcome back to Shivani's Boutique, and this is Hema, spreading colors globally. First of all, thank you for the wonderful response which we are getting from India and also from our international clients. And today what's the new updates are going to be our latest collections in Bandhani with value added items and different color combinations. The first salwar is the same to same which I am wearing, and these are all real mirrors. And while taking off your fabric, the top, you have to be little careful, should not machine wash this. And inside this lining is not needed. That is the speciality of the fabric is really thick. And this is the pant, and these are all pure bandhanis, original bandhanis in cotton stuff, and the dupatta is the same as such I am wearing. And the second color is this. All has different concepts, but all are bandhani concept, and you can see this. It's a vertical design where you can find original mirrors, and this is the back portion is a plain one, and this is a bandhani printed bandhani original pant with this dupatta. Dupatta length and the breadth of the dupatta is really good. Where I will open one and show you guys. These things need not be get ironed, just like that you wear it. And so this is how it is. Original bandhanis comes this way, and the dupatta is really lightweight and airy also, best for our Indian climatic condition. And then I have one more color in that. It's a blue color, aqua blue color with beautiful vertical stripes designed with hand embroideries, and then this is the pant, and once again it's a dupatta. See this. The next comes mirror work on the neck. These are all pure mirror works. So this is the top for this, and once again it is the bandhani pant and with a rose color bandhani dupatta. This rose is really a very beautiful rose. For the lights, the color may be little different here and there. Once again, I got a yellow color. Yellow is so beautiful. And this is the pant, bandhani pant, and a dupatta for this. All the dupattas comes this way how I am wearing. And next one is all with mirror embroideries. This is something really different and new pattern. See this. So you can find mirror works here and there. One is a triangle and one is a rectangle mirrors here and there. Something really stylish. And this is the pant for this, and you can find a beautiful crochet work dupatta. So this is how it is. If you have any doubts, 9585501762 is our WhatsApp number. www.shivanisboutique.com is our website ID, so that you can directly go there and click the link Salwar cotton materials and then grab your colors of products. And this is the second color in this. You can see the difference. This pink is rose and this is little dark pink, and this is the pant for this, and this comes with the bandhani. These are all original bandhani crochet work. You can find the crochet work. Don't iron it. Let the dupatta be as such. Wash it, crush it, and then dry it, and then fold it. That's all. And see, I have got beautiful colors in this. This design is really great, and pleasant pista green color top material with original mirrors all over, and this is the pant for this. Once again, it's crochet cotton dupatta, and this color is something unique, and how to name this color really I don't know. Somebody can help me out. And this is one more color, and this is the pant, and this comes with an amazing, once again, bandhani crochet work soft cotton dupatta. Then comes our bandhani silk. That is, this concept comes only with the top, and you have to iron it and then stitch it, and then this comes with the dupatta. So it's a modal silk dupatta with a modal silk bandhani, original bandhani, and you can find a beautiful patchworks on both the sides, and there is no pant for this. This is a kurti concept, top with the dupatta concept, where I have got one more color in this. It's a pale purplish rose color, and it's a ink blue dupatta. See this, all are lovely, something really different. Whoever is looking for something really different, nice and fine can go for this. It's a kurti concept. Next, see this, lovely it is. It's original bandhani. How we are mixing and matching the concept, where you can find minute ari works. Hope you can see the ari works. And the surprise is ajrak printed, ajrak cotton dupatta and with the printed bat. So this is the surprise in this. So see, so nice, lovely ajrak printed cotton dupatta. Alright, and I have got lovely colors in this, and the combinations are really excellent. I'm personally loving this. See, this is the top. You can find minute ari works. So it's a value added. This is the top, and comes with the printed pant, indigo blue, and with the printed dupatta. All the dupattas length and breadth are really good, where I get wonderful response from all over the clients who have purchased from Shivani's boutique. So this is a bottle green color. You can find bead work, hand work all over the front portion, and this is the printed pant with a cotton ajrak dupatta. And see this, all are lovely bandhanis, and the colors are really wonderful, amazing colors. So see this, a bottle green bandhani. You can find a beautiful bandhani work on it. And then this is the back for this, and yes, this is the pant for this, and the surprise is the chiffon dupatta. Whoever is loving chiffon dupatta can go for this. Alright, and next is the pink color, same matching. So see this, lovely it is. This is the top with a shaded pink, dark and light pink combination, and this is the pant for this, and the surprise is a kota crochet soft cotton dupatta. Always it's our all-time favorite, where this dupatta can be mixed and matched with your salwars which you have in your wardrobe. The ones is a pale purple colored top with self embroideries. So these are all our repeats where we got good response from our clients, and this is the pant for this, and this is the dupatta for this. So this is how it is. Alright, and the next piece is this. It's a pale pista green color top. See this, amazing it is. So you can find a nice hakoba kind of work on the bottom, and this is the pant for this, and it's a soft cotton crochet worked dupatta. For prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link, which straight away leads to you to that page, or else www.shivanesboutique.com is our website ID. You can directly click there under the heading Salwar Cotton Materials. You can find all this. See, the color combination is really amazing, and yes, this is a chiffon dupatta. Color is so good and vibrant, and this is the next product is this concept, a multicolored lasted so many bandhani over sheets. Such a beautiful creation for this, something really exciting. See this. Bandhani over. So this is the front. You can find nice bandhani designs. These are all pure bandhanis over shikoris, and this is the pant for this, and this comes with a nice dupatta. I'll just open the dupatta and show so that the beauty of it will be explained in the video. So this is how it is. The color is also so amazing, and then see this combination, blood reddish maroon with purple matching. Bandhani lovers, this is your episode, and whoever is looking for something really different, guys, you can go for this. So this is the dupatta for this. See, these two are printed cotton. Let me open and show you. Nice thick fabric it is. You can find minute abla works, hand works here and there. And astar nahi chahiye isi ka andar. And this is the dupatta, and the surprise is the patchwork dupatta. Lovely patchwork. It's so nice and beautiful. And one more is this. See. So this is how it is. And pant. And once again, surprise is the dupatta. Nice cotton organdy kind of dupatta. It's a cotton organdy kind of dupatta. And this is the patch. All out with human patch. Alright guys, hope you enjoy seeing our collections. 9585501762 is our WhatsApp number. www.shivanisboutique.com is our website ID. Or just click the above link which will straight away leads you to that page. Thank you soon. We'll meet you soon with lots and lots of collections, and bye.